What if you only had 24 hours left to live? Imagine waking up today and hearing these words. You only have 24 hours left to live. No cure, no miracle, no second chance. Just one final day. What would you do? Would you travel the world? Buy everything you've ever wanted? Or tell the people you love how much they mean to you? If it were me, I wouldn't chase money. I wouldn't chase fame. I'd spend every second with my family, laughing together, eating together, taking photos, making memories. Because when my time is over, those memories are the only treasure I'd want to leave behind. There is no wealth in this world more valuable than being happy with the people you love. Now I want to ask you, if you only had 24 hours left to live, what would you do first? Be honest in the comments. And if this reminded you of someone you love, share this video with them today.